Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials running. Plug Panda Aim V6 into USB-C and make sure firmware is 1. 2 or later, this prevents compatibility issues. Once connected, open the app and load Profile 1 because default settings change sensors. Next, enable developer mode only if you need raw data, otherwise skip it. Calibrate gyro roughly now, following the on-screen spinner. This reduces drift. Make sure to save the profile before moving on, so your first adjustments persist. You now focus on dialing core settings. Start with sensitivity on X and Y axes, shifting by 0. 5 steps so you can perceive changes. This controls responsiveness versus stability. Then choose an aim assist curve, linear for predictability, exponential for smooth stops, or custom for mixed behavior, because curve shape alters feel dramatically. Once done, run a live aim test for 30 to 90 seconds per tweak and note overshoot or lag. If needed, reduce smoothing slightly to. You finish by solidifying a working setup and preparing for problems. Lock the profile and back it up to cloud or local storage because you want a restore point. Next, run a full session test for 15 to 30 minutes to confirm consistency under real conditions. If anything goes wrong, drift, input lag, or odd curves, recalibrate immediately, check for the latest firmware, and reset the USB connection. Often a simple reconnection clears glitches. If issues persist, reduce smoothing and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.